Hi, in today's conversation, I'd like to share three attributes that medical writers have, which is different from the skills that medical writers need to have. There's plenty of information online, as well as plenty of job descriptions online that you can read in order to get an idea of what kinds of skills that medical writers need to have. But today, I'd like to present attributes, which is features or certain aspects of a medical writing mindset, which are so important in functioning as a good medical writer. And today I'd like to share this information based on the conversations that I've had with medical writers over the past few years. When I was breaking into the field and looking for work as a medical writer, I had an opportunity to communicate with different medical writers. So here are the three attributes. Attribute number one is the desire to work with clients and the ability to be flexible and ask the question, how can I help you multiple times a day? Which brings us to the second, which is not willing to bend over backwards and do anything that the client asks, but also think about the ethical constraints of any medical writing project. Keep in mind that medical writing is a field which is at the crossroads of biomedical science and business. And both biomedical science as well as business have their own set of ethical guidelines. And the same is true of medical writing. There are certain ethical guidelines which need to be followed. A medical writer may not be 100% knowledgeable on every single ethical guideline, but the desire to know about them and awareness that there is such a thing is crucial, that all medical writers need to know. And the third is the desire to express something in a simple way, a fascination for simplicity. Science is complex as it is. Medicine is also complex as it is. And when we talk about science and medicine within the context of a clinical trial or within the context of a new device, a new drug, anything else, the complexity builds up with each step. And so that desire to present information in a simple way and to make sure everyone in the room is being able to understand what's being said and all readers' needs are being addressed is yet another important feature. So to summarize, love simplicity, really like helping people, and know that the field of medical writing has its own ethical constraints and ethical guidelines, which we absolutely need to pay attention to.